Hey guys, good afternoon. This is GK here from your friendly weekly investment channel. Sorry, I had some audio issues in the previous video, so I'm going to take it off and go over the markets a bit. Right, markets are having a tough time, getting to the highs of the day. The ticks are definitely lows. It is very volatile for intraday traders, but from long-term traders, you can keep an eye on some of the favorite stocks that you would like to add to your portfolio. So think like Mr. Buffett. So he always adds when the markets are weak. So look at that angle. Make sure that not to put all your money at the same day. Nowadays, the brokers are not charging you any commission, so you definitely will find some value. At this point, the markets are down from the recent highs about 5-6%. So if you're not an intraday trader, but if you're a long-term trader, I think you definitely can find some good opportunities from now. So let's look at the markets, guys. Sorry again that we had some audio issues in the previous video. I'm going to take it off. Coming back to the SPY, this is a 3-year weekly chart, guys. It has been since 2021 December. That's when the market went up to 479. That the SPY went up to the highs. Now, every 3 months you see like it is losing, 10%, then gaining up a little more, then going down again 10, 15%, and then picking up, but it is not taking up the previous high that is set in December 2021, right? So having said that, it is going somewhat on the sideways to lower, which means people are selling on the bonds, and there are a lot of intraday traders trying to make some money through this. This is a new print today, 399, guys. It's the lowest of the day. If you look at intraday, this is the lowest today as we speak. Right, the ticks are negative, negative 931, which means the number of positive stocks versus negative stock, that is the 900 is the negative stocks, which means the number of stock that is negative is higher in the NYSE compared to number of stock that is positive. So a tick is the measure of that. So the market is not going to bounce off unless there's somebody comes and says the interest rates are going to stabilize, or some type of message. I'm not seeing that anywhere. I'm not hearing anywhere. One good thing from the morning is Home Depot has not recovered much, but Walmart did recover from the lows of the day. It is at 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. when they announced it went to 139, and then it was a bounce ever since that. Right now it's 147. There's a $7 bounce, guys. If you had bought something around that time, it is probably would have bounced. If you had taken a trade, intraday trader, you would taken it, you had a $7 gain here. But I'm not lucky enough to do any of the trades. But this is a positive news, right? When it went down, it was bearish at the headlines, and then it has bounced back, right? So Walmart is very resilient at this point, but it has not gone to the highs of the day, but it is what it is right now. Look at the crude oil. I think crude oils is also not given up that much. The natural gas is the weakest. UNG, look at it, it's the weakest. It's been weak for a long time, guys. I know some of you guys would have renewed their natural gas contracts for your home heating, but it's not that great, guys. I mean, not sure if it is ever going to be lower that we had, but definitely natural gas is weaker for a very long. It was like $34 sometime, and then now it is like 150, guys. So, right, if you look at the 3-year chart of natural gas, I think it was around this range. I think it is lower than the 3-year range. Uh, right, let's look at 10 year. Maybe you have a 10-year piece. I don't have a 10-year here. Let me add time frame. Let's do like 10-year weekly, right? Um, I don't see U and G low for the last 10 years. But whereas what we are paying is much, much higher today for my home heating bill. So I will leave it there. Let's look at gold. Gold is again lost some steam. It lost like $8, but it is also a drop in the bucket. It has gone up from for the last 10 years, right? This is 10 years, right? Yeah, it's 10 years weekly. It was 1000 into 2000, and now it's about 1800. It's not given up that much, right? If you look at 3-year chart on gold, it's again 1400 to 1800. It's a double-digit gains, guys. Um, so gold is good, right? How about QQQ slash NQ Nasdaq futures? Um, Nasdaq is also done good. If you look at the 3-year chart, it is from 6,000 to 16,000. Now it is in 12,000 range. So it has gone down from 16 to 12. At the same time as your SPY, the S&P 500. But still, Nasdaq has got all these gains. Let's look at the semiconductor index, SMH. I'll go for SMH again. SMH is trading similar to SPY, but it has not given up that much today. Um, I think both SMH and SPY. I think in terms of number of dollars lost, I think SPY has lost $7. SMH has lost $5. But still, net, it's a loss for the markets throughout, guys. So if you're an intraday trader, watch out. I have a feeling if it doesn't stop at 399, it might be going down further. But let's let's um, let's look at the market, guys. I'll give an update at the end of the day. Markets are bearish, so watch out what you're doing. If you're intraday, long-term traders, you have still time to really decide what you want to add to your portfolio. So thank you, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Talk to you guys again soon in another video. Cheers.